Hi Chris, my name is Bill Herbert here at Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for your interest in our pre-owned department. You inquired about the Lincoln Town Car right next to me here. This vehicle's in great shape. It's almost a classic. It's got a lot of nice features. It's in great shape inside and out. Come on in a little bit closer. I want to show you some of the nice features. The body is immaculate on the outside. It has alloy wheels around the side. It has keyless entry. If you go to the inside, it has leather interior. Wood grain throughout on the doors and the dashboard. AM, FM, cassette player. Cruise control, power windows, power brakes, power locks. What it doesn't have is you to come down and take it out for a test drive. This vehicle is almost a classic. It's got a lot of nice features on it. It's in great shape, low mileage for the year that it is. We're located at 1591 Montgomery Highway here in Hoover, Alabama. What I'd like you to do is give me a call at 205-380-6250. My name is Bill Herbert. I look forward to seeing you, and here at Tameron, I know you're going to love the way you're treated, and I'll talk to you soon.